Hello, my name is Tiffany and welcome to my channel. I am going to film a clean with me after dark video today, so I hope you will like it. It's a really mess out here in my house, so I hope you like my cleaning videos and I want you to introduce you to someone. If you see my dog in this video and you like my dog, he is a really bastard sometimes, but I love him. And yeah, you see, he is Rocco and he is 7 months old. He is a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel and he is a Ruby. So if you see him do naughty things in my video, please give it a thumbs up. So he can really make a mess of my house. My content is the most of cleaning videos, but I'm also going to make lifestyle videos, cooking videos, if you would like to see that. If you would like to see cooking videos or lifestyle videos, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you are really interested in my cleaning channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and please ring the notification bell so you can be updated to when I upload a video. So if you're interested in my YouTube videos, subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell so you'll be updated when I upload a video every week, and I hope you will like it. Please stay tuned. Bye!
Snap your fingers, do your step. You can do it all by yourself. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you, let me buy you a drink. I'm so bold, you know me. Cody Tarpley's on those keys. I know the club close at 3. What's the chances of you rolling with me? Back to the crib, show you how I live. Let's get drunk, forget what we did. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Shawty, what you think about that? Buy me in the gray Cadillac. We in the bed like ooh, ooh, oh, 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 oh. We in the bed like ooh, oh, 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 oh. Talk to me, I talk back. Let's talk money, I talk that. Don't use bottles, so cliche. Shawty got class, so behave. Let's get gone, walk it out. Just like that, that's what I'm talking about. We gon' have fun, you gon' see. On that Patron, you should get like me. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Shawty, what you think about that? Buy me in the gray Cadillac. We in the bed like ooh, ooh, oh, 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 oh. We in the bed like ooh, oh, 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 oh. Let's get gone, walk it out.
Walk it out, think about it.
Now rock, 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 rock. You can do it all by yourself. Let's get gone, walk it out.
Walk it out, think about it.
Now rock, 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 rock. You can do it all by yourself. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Shawty, what you think about that? Buy me in the gray Cadillac. We in the bed like ooh, ooh, oh, 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 oh. We in the bed like ooh, oh, 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 oh.
So guys, this was my video. I hope you will like it. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be announced whenever I upload a video. And Rocco wants to say hi too. He wants that you will subscribe to our channel too. And I'll see you next time. Bye!